This is Gamma. It's a new category of the everyday jacket. It's a combination of a lightweight everyday jacket, technical activewear, and feature-packed travel jacket. It's infused with graphene, a hard-as-diamond wonder material made of a one-atom-thick layer of super heat-conducting carbon atoms, designed to keep you cool in the summer and warm in the winter, no matter what life throws at you. Experts around the world have documented the unique properties of graphene. It's also meticulously designed to be the ultimate travel jacket. It's lightweight and easy to pack, whether in your carry-on or worn from terminal to terminal. Our built-in heater makes sure that you will always be at your optimal temperature in all environments, from airplane to forest to mountain. Gamma's pockets let you securely carry everything you need without needing to rummage through your bag. Ditch the layers in bulk that will keep you warm in the coldest winters in seconds and make Gamma the only jacket you'll ever need for work and play. Going somewhere extra chilly? Gamma can give you that extra warmth and protection against the elements in seconds. Unbreakable and durable, Gamma will never let you down. Its multi-pocket function safely secures your phone, your wallet, your keys, your passport, your transport card, and your many other possessions. Stay stylish and snug by customizing your fit with our many adjustable drawstrings and Velcros. Gamma is 100% waterproof, so you can take a stroll, jog, or hike under the rain without getting wet. Even our zippers are water resistant to keep your pockets and valuables nice and dry. Our graphene-infused material is also naturally anti-odor, wind-resistant, UV-proof, and made with breathable and non-toxic materials. Gamma is a new category of jacket perfected for work, play, and travel, without compromising function or fashion. Gamma by Wear Graphene. Back us today.